Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I'm Beth and I cannot wait to go through this month's Allure Beauty Box with you guys. Now this box, I want you guys to know, is heavy. So there's a lot of good stuff in here. This was not a pick month, so I didn't get to pick anything that's in here. However, my sister did see somebody else open theirs and it looked amazing. So we're really hopeful this one has some good stuff in it. I cannot remember what was in the other box, so we'll be surprised together what's in this. If you are not familiar with the Allure Beauty Box, it is a monthly subscription box. It is $15 for the first box for new subscribers. After that, it's $25 a month, and it will get cheaper depending on how many months at a time you want to subscribe for. A lot of times there are free products and things that you get with your subscription. So there are some good ones right now, I believe, and I encourage you to check it out. I will leave the link below for you guys to go to the Allure website if you want to check into it. Now, one interesting thing I got this month that I have never gotten before is an Allure magazine. So this says it's a special issue, Best at Beauty award winners. It's got some beauty information. I have never gotten one of these before. Someone said they think you're actually supposed to get one every month with your box. I don't know if that's true. If you guys have been getting these before, let me know what the deal is with them. Do you get them every month? Is it a once in a while thing? I would like to know. But now is time to see what's in this box. And I'm telling you guys, this is heavy. Oh gosh. Okay, so I'm going to open it for you guys with you. I'm going to open it with you guys. I'm going to catch the little card before it falls out. We have our card and our really full box. Oh, there's a lot. Okay, we also have, if you want to give some of their other subscriptions that they have available. This actually, I think, does have products that are in our box. If it does, I'll use the information in here. If it's not, I'll see what information I can find and post it here in the corner. But this is the fullest box I think I've ever gotten from Allure. Okay, so our first thing that we have is the Olay Cleansing Melts. There's actually a 2-pack in here. If you watch the reviews on the Walmart beauty boxes, each of those boxes had a 4 count of these cleansing pads. This is a 12 pad pack. So this is a really good sample size. You get 12 uses out of that. So if you do morning and night, you've got almost a week's worth to try it out to see if you like it and if you want to continue using it to buy the full size. Our next one is from Millet, and this is a Rosemary Mint Clarifying Sugar Scalp Scrub infused with biotin and encourages longer and healthier hair. This is a scalp treatment that gently exfoliates, revives, and refreshes scalp, and this is non-drying. Ooh, you guys know I'm always in the market for something to help my hair, so I'm excited for that one. This is a 6-ounce product, and let me see if we have any information in our fancy dandy book. So for them, this is the full size, 6 ounces. This is a $9.99 value. There is a promo code in here. If you go to the website, you can get 20% off another purchase with the code Allure. And yeah, full size. So $10 product. Not the biggest value. I really thought it was going to have a greater value than that, but $10. So our next product is from Florence by Mills. And for this one, you would have either gotten a lip oil, a tinted lip oil, or a lip mask. I think this is a tinted lip oil, it says. So those are what you could have gotten. This, I think, is going to be that blue. Let's see. Okay, so this is actually the pink one. So I guess this is the pink tinted oil. So this is about a 1/4 ounce size, full size lip oil. I have a lot of lip oils I'm using, so I'm not going to start this one yet, but $16 value for a lip oil by Florence, from Florence by Mills. Our next product is from Skin & Co. and this is a Sicilian Light Vegan Squalene Prickly Pear and Blood Orange Truffle Complex. That's a lot of stuff. This is a Plump and Illuminate Serum. This is the full size. This is a 30 ml, 1 ounce size, and this would be a $60 retail value for that. Pretty cool. Okay, it's a squeezy tube. I kind of thought we would have a pump bottle, but it is a squeezy tube. Looks very much like the packaging. So that's a great one, and there is still a lot of stuff in this box. I feel like I've already unboxed a whole box of stuff so far, but there's still a whole box of stuff left. Our next one is, I'm trying to decide what to pick. Okay, so the next one I'm going to pick is from Curology, and this is a gentle cleanser. This is a This is the full size, and this is a $12 value, so we got a $12 cleanser from Curology. Okay, our next one is a 3 sample pack of Liquid IV, and these are the sugar-free versions. We have white peach, lemon lime, and green grape. I actually really like the taste of Liquid IV, and I've used a ton of it. I have a bunch in my pantry as we speak. I don't use it anymore because they have a ton of sodium. Now, I know that a sports drink and electrolyte drink, they're going to have sodium. That's what keeps your body hydrated when you're doing a lot of stuff and being in sport and doing a lot of sports and being out in the heat and sweating and things. But these have over 500 milligrams of sodium per packet. And I did not realize that, and I was drinking a few of these a day, and that is just way too much sodium for most people, especially when you are my age. So I quit using them. I've got to find a friend who has a kid in sports and let them have them, because unless there's an extreme need, I just won't put that much salt from a drink in my system. So I probably will give these away as well. I found some really good ones that we got a sample of in a Fit box that we used to get. And there's very little sodium in there, and they are still hydrating and really good for you, and they don't have this much sodium. So I don't use them for that reason, but I know a lot of people, depending on your lifestyle and how much activity you're doing, you do need that much. I'm just not that person, so I'll find a new home for these. Our next product is a Glow 2OH Dark Spot Toner, and this is a 7% high potency AHA, and this is a facial toner. This is the full size at a $35 value. Toner for dark spot removal, so pretty cool for that one. Our last product in the box is a Belief sample, and this is the Aqua Bomb Eye Gel. I want to say I've got some of this somewhere, but I don't know for sure. It's a big box for a little thing, so they make a little compartment for it inside so it doesn't rattle around. But Believe is a great product. I will put the full size and the price for that. This is going to be a sample at 5 ml. So for an eye cream, you still get a lot of use for that. This would be one I keep in my bedside drawer, because if I forgot to put on moisturizer or eye cream before I go to bed, I can reach over and grab some and put some on without having to get back up. So I like that. So a great sample. That is the last box, except for a HelloFresh coupon. So in this box, we got a Belief eye cream sample. We got a Curology moisturizer, Ole Henriksen dark spot toner. We got a Sicilian brightening serum. We got a lip oil, and we got our sample of Olay cleansers. So this was and we got our scalp scrub. So this was a super full box. This was a great value. With my subscription, I think I was getting around $21 a month. So for that price, yes, this is a great deal for an Allure box with all the wonderful products that you get in here. Amazing, amazing value for this one. I encourage you guys to check out the link below if you want to get your own subscription. Again, $15 a month for your first box, plus a lot of times a free gift with that new subscription. So check it out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and hit that notifications bell so you don't miss out on future uploads. For now, I want to thank you so much for joining me on Beth and Boxes, and hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.